Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to update payment method on Shein app safely add credit card funds. So let's get started. So here we are in Shein, and from here what we're going to do in order for us to update our payment method is that we are going to go add a product into our cart first. So let me just add a random one, maybe this one right here, and let me choose a size right here and add to cart. And then once you have items on your cart, you can tap on your cart now. And then from here, you want to proceed to checkout because this is where we will be updating our payment method. So from here, what we're going to do is scroll down until you see all the payment methods available. And then what you want to choose is the credit or debit card option. So you want to tap on this one right here because this is where Visa belongs. So tap on place order. And then from here, as you can see, you have the Visa right here. And then you would need to provide your card number, expire date, and CVV. And you can also scan your card for your convenience. If you would like that, you can tap on the icon, the scan icon at the right side, and then you'd be able to open your camera. And then you can also turn this feature on right here to remember this card for future use so that you won't have to fill up the card number, expire date, and the CVV next time when you choose to use your Visa again. So you would want to enable that. And after that, it's pretty much all good. Then now you can place order once you are done filling up the card number, expire date, and CVV. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.